Hey all, it's Jolene again. Welcome back to the Homestitchery Decor YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor and I teach what I do on YouTube, including a whole bunch of small business stuff, which I am really enjoying. So thank you for being here for this journey. If you could hit the subscribe and the bell button to get notified if you like content like this, that would really help me out as I am trying to build my small business while I help others build theirs. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to cover a question that I just got and it was super important. And I thought, oh my gosh, I'm really going to have to think about this. And then as it turned out, I didn't have to think about it that much. And I'm totally going to steal what I learned and basically just break it down for you guys in terms that you can understand as it pertains to your small business, like with the handmade stuff that I teach here or the digital stuff that I teach here. Okay, so any person that has a business should have mentors, right? So like everybody should be having people that they listen to, that they admire, that they're trying to emulate. And one of the people that I listened a lot to this last year was Alex Hormozi. And Alex broke this down for us, like really simple in one of his talks. And it was all about strategy. And everybody talks about strategy. What is strategy? How did you come up with your strategy? How do you create a strategy? What do you do with the strategy? What's the purpose of a strategy? All this stuff about strategy, it can be overwhelming. And so essentially he broke it down for us and it said, strategy is just prioritizing your choices. I mean, it's probably verbatim, like I am literally quoting Alex Hormozi here. So when you have a whole bunch of choices and you don't know what to do, and you watched my other video about the 3 Ps of selling your business, right? Like what to sell to people. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here in the video description. Swoosh. There's a thumbnail for it. Swoosh. We're back here. And essentially what it is that when you have all of these unlimited choices, you need to narrow down the choices that are going to get you to the destination you want to go to the fastest. So I did hear this from Alex Hormozi, right? But then I don't know who said this to me a couple of years ago or where I heard this from a few years ago. So I'm quoting somebody else here because I know this was like a professional speaker that had said this as well. And essentially they said, okay, get a board, right? Get a whiteboard and you're going to write down like what are, your 20 goals or whatever it is for your business, right? And you're going to probably have 20 goals that you want to get to. So the way you would strategize those goals is you would pick one goal that you want to get to. So out of all of those 20 that you wrote down, you're going to pick your number one goal. The number one, right? Like you probably don't even know it as you're writing down what the actual goal is, right? And I can tell you that it's probably not money. Like everybody's like, oh, I want money. Oh, I want money. No, you don't want money. You want the things that money can buy you, like freedom, like, the ability to travel, the ability to work wherever you want, the ability to go to a doctor's office with your kid at 3 o'clock in the afternoon instead of like trying to get out of your job, right? So that's not what you want. But anyway, so you write down these, say 20 goals and you pick the one that you want to get to the most, right? And like I just said, it can't be money because that's not the goal. More time with friends could be the goal, right? So we're going to pick your most important goal and then you're going to work on only that goal. You're going to work on the steps that are going to get you to that goal. You're going to write down the steps that you think will get you to that goal, whether it's start a Shopify store. I'll put a link here for a Shopify store. If you want to start a Shopify store, I'm an affiliate for it. You can sign up through the link, right? So if you want to start a Shopify store and you want to have a product that you sell in your Shopify store, you're going to write down the steps that you need to get to the Shopify store selling. So you're going to need a domain name. You're going to need a company name. You're going to need a logo. You're going to need brand colors. You only need it once. You can change them later. Don't pick them 58 times. You're going to need a person that you sell to. You're going to need a product that you sell. And if you haven't watched my 3 Ps video, please go and watch that. I just made that video today as well about the 3 Ps to get you out of the procrastination stage. And you're going to pick the goal and you're going to pick the least amount of steps to get to that end goal. And that is what strategy is. That's it. It's like in a bucket, like hand it to you in an envelope, write it down in 4 sentences. It's not complicated. So when you're stuck and you're not sure where to start, first you need the procrastination video that I just told you about. And then this is how you do your strategy to get you to those things. So pair those two videos together. When you pair my videos together, I often talk about one topic that somebody's asked me a question for, just so I can tag them back in it and be like, hey, I answered your question, your specific question. But every single thing with business goes along with another video that I'm doing here. So make sure that you watch the videos, go back and watch other ones just so that you can actually double up your knowledge. And then you're going to grow much quicker than I actually did. And cheers to you for doing that. And when you do, please let me know that you've done it so I can come back and, clap for you and cheer you on, because the goal of teaching people is actually to get them further ahead than you actually are. And that brings me joy in my life. And I'm so happy I can be here to do it for you. Okay, so we'll see you again in the next video. If you have questions, please, by all means, leave some comments in the section below here and let me know where you're from. Say hello. That will get this video bumped up into the algorithm to get shown to more people, or just ask me a question and then I can research the question and then I can make another video, which is going to help another business owner. Have a great day, you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.